Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to fix a flickering issue in Google Chrome. Like in my computer it is happening only on Facebook. The reason might be because there are videos which loads. When they are loading, the screen flickers. That is happening very often. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. When I open Facebook and I go to Facebook, the screen flickers very often. So there's a change which we will make in Google Chrome settings to fix this problem or to avoid this thing to happen. So first I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll go to Facebook. I'm just waiting for it to occur. See, this is what happens. This is what I was talking about. I'll close the browser and reopen. See, it happened again. See, that's what I'm talking about. So this is the problem which is happening on my computer, but it happens only on Facebook and sometime or very rarely on YouTube. So what I'm guessing it is happening just because of videos. Now there is a setting which we will be changing in Google Chrome, and that will fix this problem. So we will click on those three dots at the top right corner in Google Chrome and then click on settings, and then simply scroll down, click on advanced, just scroll down until you reach system. Under system, the second option, use hardware acceleration when available, just disable it and simply click on relaunch. Or you can also reach this option by simply typing hardware. So if you just type hard, it will take you to this setting. So you can disable it and click on relaunch. So it will close the browser completely and will reopen with new settings. I'll close the browser again and will reopen. Let's see if the same thing happens. It used to happen when a video used to buffer or when a video used to load. It is not happening now. I'll close the browser and will reopen. We'll go to Facebook again. You see, this is the time when it used to happen, but it is not happening now. In order to recreate the problem, I'll go to the same settings again and will enable that option. Let's see if problem reoccurs. Go to setting and in the search bar at the top type hard, so it will take us to use hardware acceleration when available. I'll enable it. Relaunch. I'll close the browser and will open fresh and we'll go to Facebook. See, it happened again. That means by simply disabling that hardware acceleration option in settings, so I'll go to settings again, type HARD, so that use hardware acceleration when available. If I disable this option, it is fixing the problem in Google Chrome of screen flickering on Facebook or any website where there are multiple videos like YouTube. If I mean, in my computer it is not happening, or happening very rarely on YouTube, but if you are facing this problem, you can try this step, and hopefully it will fix the problem which you are facing. So I will click on relaunch and will close the browser. So well, that's it in this video. Please click the like button if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Thank you very much for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.